Want help to grow or set up your business in Mexico and lowering production and labor costs by up to 60%? Price pressures, growing competitors, or delayed arrival for prefabricated materials are common challenges nowadays for companies in a globalized world. In addition, the broken supply chain during the pandemic made us even more aware of how dependent businesses are on countries such as China or India. Moreover, the container ship accident on the Suez Canal led to shipping delays, low stock, and exploding overheads. To remain competitive, we partner with you to expand your company to Mexico and take the advantage of lowering your production and labor costs by up to 60%, taking advantage of high-educated labor force, diversifying your supplier portfolio to be less dependent on Asia, entering new markets and increase your sales opportunities, having an optimized supply chain and only 3 driving hours away from the United States. With over 50 free trade agreements, Mexico provides a lot of exciting business opportunities to enterprises for new market entrants. We are in Mexico present and support you in the whole expansion process with various activities like founding and establishing the company, advising on location of your factory, handling customs paperwork, import and export, bridging the language and culture barrier, being compliant with laws and contracts, setting up recruitment process and run operations, and much more. With our local presence, large network, and experience of the Mexican market, we ensure for your company higher turnover, profitability, and market share. Contact us at info@mex-pansion.com. We are happy to help.